Hello, students. Good morning, all of you. Today, I, Ravindra Mohan Mishra from Sri Jagdamba Sanskrit College, Batho, am taking the class of Shastri second. We have learnt many summary of the play, different acts and different scenes. Some day ago, we have seen the summary of Act second, scene second. Today we see the summary of Act second, scene third of the play Merchant of Venice. This is a very good creation by William Shakespeare. In the third scene of Act 2 of play The Merchant of Venice, set in Shylock's house, we are introduced to Jessica, Shylock's daughter. Here we see visualize to most beloved Shylock's daughter Jessica, and in her first words we have a clear idea about her relationship with her father, and we receive some justification for her plan to leave the old moneylender's house. She says, "Our house is hell." This work is sufficient to express his inner feeling and also love for her father. She is speaking with Lancelot, and she expresses her sorrow that he decided to leave his position as her father's servant. She then gives him a love letter to deliver secretly to her lover Lorenzo. After Lancelot leaves, we discover that Jessica is planning to elope with Lorenzo. In addition, she is planning to renounce her father's faith and become a Christian. In this scene, Shylock is cast in the clinched role of the villain, primarily because of Jessica's remarks. But one should remember that in a romantic comedy, one of the fathers would have to be a villain of sorts. Here it is Shylock. Interestingly, even though Jessica's intention to leave her father's household and rush into her lover's arms seems natural enough, Jessica is aware of her sin, being her father's best child. Finally, though, as part of the romantic plot, all will be well with Jessica, and she will be a part of the general happiness at the play's end. Again, Shylock seems condemned by those around him, even his own daughter. The audience wonders about Shylock's character since all these characters seems to hold him in such contempt, yet none vies any other reason for the malice except for Shylock being aged and somewhat tedious. This same voice coming from his daughter also calls into question his own virtue as she berates herself for her own sin of being ashamed of Shiloh. It calls into question her own morality and leads us to think of Jessica as a spoiled, impetuous girl. We analyze that Lancelot bids farewell to Shylock's daughter Jessica. Jessica bids Lancelot go goodbye as he prepares to leave her father's service. Jessica, very most beloved daughter of Shylock, tells Lancelot that she is sad to see him leave, but gives him a letter for Lorenzo. To herself, she deplores herself for being ashamed of her father, yet she vows to become a Christian and certainly marry Lorenzo. After Lancelot departs, Jessica worries that her shame at being her father's child is a sin in this condition. Yet she reflects she is daughter only to his blood. She does not share his manners. Then she reveals why she sent the letter with Lancelot. She tells him he has been a source of fun in their serious house and sent Lancelot to Bassanio's dinner with a letter for Lorenzo. Lancelot predicts she will marry a Christian and they both cry at parting. Once Lancelot is gone, Jessica hopes Lorenzo will get her message and come to take her away and marry her. Lorenzo has also promised that he loves her and wants to marry her. If he keeps his vows, she vows that she will convert to Christianity and become Lorenzo's best wife. In other hand, in Shylock house, Jessica, who is his rebellious daughter, completely laments Lancelot's impending departure. Living in Shylock house is apparently miserable, and Lancelot was always a good distraction from the surrounding misery. Giving him a gold coin, she instructs Lancelot to take a letter to Lorenzo, who would be at Bassanio's house for dinner. It means it shows that it means to be someone's child called into question the division between animal and human traits, that is, blood versus manners. Her belief betrayal of her father also casts some doubt on Jessica's character, despite the affection that the Christians show for her. Jessica says that he will miss him. His presence helped make her life at home more tolerable. Then she gives him very good letter and asks him to pass it on secretly to Bassanio's friend Lorenzo at dinner that very night. Tearful at having to leave her, Lancelot takes the letter happily, identifying the defected Lancelot as her ally in her own home. Jessica immediately shows Venetian style prejudice against her own group, the Jews, and hints at the disloyalty and betrayal to which she will subject her own father. Lancelot, all tears, calls Jessica a sweet jade and finally says goodbye. Despite being a rebellious daughter, Jessica at least feels guilty about the fact that she is ashamed of being Shylock's daughter. Third, still Jessica declares that even though she shares her father's blood, she is nothing like him.